There's no place like home. Eating at home is better for you than eating out. Restaurants add more fat and sugar to meals than you would if you were cooking for yourself. Try these ideas for eating at home. Sit down when you eat. When you eat standing up, you tend to eat more food and not think about what you are eating. If you live with other people, eat together. Talking makes you slow down and feel full with less food. Leave the extra food in the kitchen. When the serving dishes are farther away, people tend to feel less hungry for seconds. Try not to cook fried foods. Save these for special occasions. Start the day right. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It's a fact, people who eat breakfast weigh less than people who skip it. If you don't have time in the morning, eat something quick with protein like protein bar, hard-boiled egg, yogurt, cereal with fruit and milk. Let's do lunch. If you eat lunch at school or at the office, bring something from home. Make a little extra for dinner and pack some for lunch the next day. Pack a turkey sandwich and some baby carrots. Pack some yogurt, a granola bar, and a piece of fruit. Bring a diet frozen dinner. When you eat out for lunch, order soup, salad, or half a sandwich. Use leftovers to make a wrap. For more health tips, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.